Welcome to Spices and Aromas. I am Rovina. Today I am going to show you what? No ingredients. But I am sure to make you drool with my video. I am going to cut a jackfruit grown in my garden. First I am spreading a paper sheet on the kitchen platform. This really helps me with cleaning up later. I'll oil my hands and the knife. This is a kind of breed which is all season and gumless. So need not worry about the gum sticking to the hands and knife. The jackfruit is already soft, releasing a strong aroma indicating that it's ripe. Now just hear the sound that comes when I tap the jackfruit. This indicates our jackfruit is ripe and ready to cut. Let's get started with cutting the jackfruit. Just follow along with the process. You need to have a sharp knife. It's simple and easy to cut this jackfruit. You can see there is no gum as this is a gumless jackfruit. Please do like, follow and subscribe to my channel for all the updates on my upcoming videos. Remembering my childhood days, we had jackfruits in plenty and we never gave them much thought. But now we crave them more than ever. As the saying goes, you don't know what you have until it's gone. I like to enjoy jackfruit while I'm cutting it. We had planted a sapling during the COVID and now after 4 years, this is the second fruit from the tree. This is called Malaysian Jack. We got it from East West Nursery, Kapul. I'll just taste it. It's awesome. Each pod is filled with sweetness and now I will separate the pods from the core. I don't want to waste the jackfruit seeds. They are incredibly nutritious and considered as a superfood. I washed these jackfruit seeds dry and stored them in freezer for future use. You will be surprised to see the price of jackfruit seeds in the Amazon. I will share a screenshot of this at the end of the video. Now I just fold this paper and put it in a garbage bag. Isn't it easy to cut a jackfruit? Please write your views in comments. This thick paper sheet comes in a roll which really helps me in my kitchen when I do such messy jobs. You can see the kitchen platform is clean and tidy. Just look at the price on Amazon. Thank you for watching my video. We'll see you soon.